Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to give you guys a walkthrough of Cozumel, Mexico and Key West, Florida, and just share a little bit of my experience. So let's go ahead and get started. So we were in Key West just a few months ago. So if you were wanting to see more that may not be featured in this video, that will be linked down below. A few months ago when we were here in Key West, we did come to this exact same location. As you can tell, this is a popular hot spot. I brought my fan because it was extremely hot this day. So this is the southernmost point of the continental USA, and it's just very popular for pictures. Last time we were here, the line was ridiculous. When we came this time, we came straight off the ship to this location, and the line wasn't that bad at all. So if you are wanting to come here, I suggest coming early as your very first stop of the day. All right, so up next is the Key West Lighthouse. I heard the views from up top are really pretty, so that was my main point in coming here and just trying out something new. Do have to pay to get in, and also the price includes a museum as well. So fun fact, I do not like heights at all. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Sometimes I do like doing things once and then, at least I can say I did it. So as you can see, it was extremely hot. I brought my fan, brought my walking shoes, and yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. There is no elevator. You do have to climb the steps all the way up. It does take a few minutes and it is narrow, like super narrow. So again, if you don't like heights, this is not for you. Would I do this again? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It was cool once I got up top, and then I had the thought of, wow, I still have to walk back down. So overall, again, the view was really nice up there. There's information located along the railings. The view was nice. Try it out. Might be for you. Walking up and or down, there is only a railing on one side of it. So let's say people are coming up and you're coming down. It gets real crowded and it's more so standstill traffic. So keep that in mind as well. Next up, we did go to the Truman House. For this, you can pay to get a guided tour, or you can go in for free, and there's a museum and a gift shop inside as well. So that's what we did. We didn't pay for the guided tour. We just kind of explored on our own. In terms of getting around, you can pay to take the trolley. They also have a train. You can Uber, you can Lyft different places. There's also golf cart rentals, so you can look into that as well. And they also have a free city bus. We decided that we just wanted to see the island on foot, so that's what we did. Key West also has a few $5 stores, and everything really is $5. Step on the list, we did go get some key lime cheesecake, actually. So this store that we walked into, they had everything made in store, so you can kind of see the bakery towards the back. They also had key lime related everything. So they had sodas, they had pies, they had cakes. We tried the cheesecake and it was really good. As you can see, they also have like soaps, body washes, candy, everything. We then decided to take a stroll along the harbor. There are lots of restaurants located along this way as well, so if you're looking for something to eat, you might want to look into maybe one of these spots. We then came across a public beach, so this is what it looks like. It was crowded the time that we were here, but still a good time. Again, if you are looking for more things to do in Key West, I do have another video and it is linked down below. All right, Cozumel, let's get into it. So this was our first time here. We personally never book excursions on the cruise ship typically, so didn't do that for this trip either. This is what the port looks like as soon as you get off the ship. We stopped at one of these last minute tour areas and that's where we booked our city dune buggy tour and the resort that we had access to for just a few hours, which also included lunch. So for our city tour, they did take us obviously outside of the port in order to go to the location where we would meet our driver. At no time did I ever feel unsafe in this area. After the city tour, we were taken to a beach club where we had access to the beach, all non-motorized water sports. Lunch was also included, and there were lots of different shopping areas. They had a pool, so many things to do. So we stopped here for the last stop of our tour, and it was really nice. Like, I had no complaints about this place. Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed our time here in Cozumel. Definitely can't wait to come back. We do have another trip, I think in November, which comes back to Cozumel. So definitely a lot more to explore next time that we come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.